The situation's always the same. An egg falls, then a strange new egg appears in the nest.
And everyone sees this mystery bird when the eggs go flying. Looks sort of familiar.
If we can just figure out who that mystery bird is, I'm sure we can figure out why they're...
Egg alert! There!
Cuckoo?
Aha! Yeah, the mystery bird strikes again, and they left a feather behind.
Cuckoo. Cuckoo!
I know. This whole case is Cuckoo.
No, I mean, yes, but we've heard that sound before. Remember that bird we met when we first arrived? It was a cuckoo bird. Cuckoo! We just heard it again when that egg fell. And look, the feather she left behind matches the one Wally found.
Whiskers, that's it. The mystery bird is a cuckoo bird.
Yep, and get this. Cuckoo birds are known to be nest parasites.
Nest para what now?
Nest parasite. That's when the cuckoo pushes an egg out of another bird's nest and lays one of her own. She tricks other birds into raising her eggs for her.
So that's what's been going on.
We'd better warn the birdies. Attention, my feathered friends. This is Wally Bungler, Nature Ranger. Letting you know there's a cuckoo on the loose.
A cuckoo? Our eggs!
But worry not. On my honour as a Nature Ranger, Wally will keep you safe. Who's with me? Wally, dear, I'm going shopping. Do you need anything? Not now, Mum.
If we all work together, we can stop that cuckoo once and for all.
Everybody, be ready. That cuckoo could come from any direction.
Don't let her get through.
There she is.
Not on Wally's watch. Wally! What?
Cluebots, go!
Wally, go!
Oh, Wally!
Stay in formation!
Stay sharp, everyone. She didn't go far. The cuckoo's getting tired. Keep it up, everyone. Don't let her through.
You leave my eggs alone! Cuckoo.
We did it! She's flying away!
I don't think she'll be back to bother you.
Thank you for all your help. You've saved our eggs. Oh,
Sam, look! They're hatching!
Oh, cute little things, aren't they?
3 baby chicks. And 1 baby cuckoo.
I guess that mama cuckoo's not coming back for her hatchlings.
Afraid not. Cuckoos lay their eggs and leave them for someone else to take care of when they hatch. But who'll take care of these baby cuckoos?
You let our Wally handle this one.
Hey, look.
This way, recruits! Your Nature Ranger training starts today. Mum, I'm bringing some new friends home for lunch.
That's lovely, dear. I'll put the kettle on.
Woohoo! Go, Wally!
Looks like they're in good hands. Another creature case closed.
I'm impressed, Sam. You made it the whole day without getting your fur wet.